Oh! Sayang, di natin nakuha lahat. Anyway, let me taste it. Look at that, it's fresh. Bago ang balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, tingnan nyo naman guys, bagay na bagay to sa paparating na Valentine's Day. Mga products natin dito galing kay R Hub Foodline. So thanks so much R Hub Foodline for sending us your products for us to try on. These are so heavenly. Tingnan nyo yung mga, actually, napaka-eye-appetizing, ang daming mga parang mga toppings. Creme brulee, yan, notice, so it's gonna crack. Ooh. And then, din sa pinaka natin, core natin is dulce de leche. Oh. Wow. Ito pa lang guys, I can say, no, may quality na yung mga ingredients na ginamit talaga nila dito. So, let me just finish this one. I wanna try next yung kanilang Belgian Bites. So this one has pistachio. Meron din tayong, what do you call, parang candy pearl. Good job! It's a burst of taste. So a little bit bitter dun sa nuts at saka yung parang matcha natin. But the base, napaka-moist. Napaka-moist guys. Notice again guys, meron tayong Roulade, European version ng mga rolled cake. The first one is a white chocolate cake. Next naman natin dito is, they call it Swiss chocolate cake roulade. This one is their Matcha Pistachio roulade cake. The strawberry. Now, notice guys, meron silang similarities sa mga toppings natin. A lot of them has fruits, no? Meron tayong mga berries, strawberry, mulberries, meron ding strawberries, it also has grape, and meron din tayong edible gold, nuts, it has nuts, and of course, yung flavoring natin, pinaka-flavoring natin, like this one. I wanna try is itong white chocolate nila. Look at this. Look at this. Let me get this one. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, so let me taste it. I'm impressed. So, of course, yung decoration natin dito, these are also edible. Ibig sabihin, kinakain, guys. Let me just get this one and then pakita ko sa inyo guys. Oh, look at that. Fresh, red, large strawberries. Let me get from here. I'm gonna top it off with some grapes, mulberries, and pistachio. They call it presidential brownies if you notice. So ito yung mga premium brownies natin with different toppings din. Of course, so meron tayong fresh fruits. This one is strawberry coated na gold. Ayan. It also has some cherries. So dito guys, yung mga presidential brownies natin has 3 flavors. Swiss chocolate, butterscotch, matcha with white chocolate. So I wanna try this one. Oh! Sayang, di natin nakuha lahat. Anyway, let me taste it. I wanna try this one. Chocolate bars. Whoa! What? Look at that! So this one has 2 flavors. Kabilang side natin is coated with white chocolate and of course the regular chocolate one. Good job. Very premium in taste. R Hub Foodline all started with their regular products, which are these brownies. Ito yun, mga yan. Imagine guys, they started 2021, so they are turning 1 year pa lang. And then last year, December 2021, they were able to sell 50,000 boxes. Ewan ko lang guys, kung hindi nila gusto, bakit nakabenta sila ng 50,000 boxes, no? So, they could have been really special with this one. Hanggang yung mga regular customer nila, nag-request ng mga premium like this one. Ayan. Coming from very humble beginning, quality pa rin to kahit na very affordable or cheap in price. And then eventually they, advance, level up sa mga iba pang mga premium products natin. So this one's their brownies. Wow, I gotta commend Napaka-moist talaga ng mga bread nila. Kapag ganito yung mga pagkain, alam mo na hindi talaga tinitipid yung mga ingredients natin. Speaking of brownies, guys, isa sa mga pinakabago nilang cake is this one. This is not the regular or typical shape na cake, the circle, square, mga ganyan. So this one has a very irregular shape. If you notice, so meron siya parang nagdi-drip na chocolate, this one. Chocolate, it's like dripping. Let me get from this one. Kasi ayoko masira siya, guys. So I'm gonna keep this for a while para may tinitignan akong Instagrammable food. So this one is it. I must say, buat kanina tinitikman natin, I'm still really enjoying the quality, the texture, the taste, as well as the flavor natin, which is the chocolate, pinaka-base natin. It's really good. Let me taste it. I'm just gonna eat the half, no? Dami natin tinitikman dito eh. So let me just taste it. All of these are very, great for, decorative purposes, sa banquet, your buffet, and at the same time, guys, kapag binigyan mo yung tao na katulad nito, they're still gonna appreciate it. Kasi sobrang ang galing ng mga designs, di ba? So, I wanna try this one. I think this is Black Forest. I'm gonna enjoy yung donuts nila off camera. But guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. So make sure to check out R Hub Foodline if you wanna try their products or, order them and give it away as a giveaway. Pwede po yan. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next discovery, guys. Peace out. Stay safe. Bye.